Hi, my name is Gilles Fransen. I'm the founder and CEO of Digital Ventures, as well as Hairspace. So I manage both companies. The main company is Digital Ventures. With Digital Ventures, we do system integration work. We implement digital adoption solutions, primarily for large companies, multinationals like BMW, AXA, TUI, Bosch, Henkel, and others. Next to that, I decided to build a kind of new side project, which became Hairspace. So with Hairspace, we built the first digital solution to match freelance hairdressers with hair salons that offer chairs for rent. So we help hairdressers rent chairs in salons, and we help salons in that way find freelance hairdressers, avoid any legal issues, and make sure that the end-to-end contractual aspect and payment process is covered through our app. What I did is I did a comprehensive analysis, primarily on the internet, looked at different platforms, and Cleveroad was one of the vendors that caught my eye. I checked several references, I checked services. I found a very nice reference case, which was more or less a similar type of app that I wanted to develop, and that is why I went forward with Cleveroad. Initially, I was expecting to find like a full development team. However, we quickly realized that the cost would be very high. So that is where we worked with Cleveroad to find the right setup with web engineer and a project manager, so that we could very quickly build a sort of MVP. So from scratch, have a first minimal viable product of the Hairdressers platform within the budget that we had. I don't think there was one specific factor why I chose Cleveroad. I think on one side I liked the reference story that I found. On the other hand, Cleveroad was very quick in replying to my request. We had a high level of customer-focused attitude, very results-driven. We created a little design workshop and how we would develop the solution based on my budget and quality expectations, and that was then very good in line with what I wanted. So that is why I went ahead with Cleveroad. During that process, both from a sales perspective as well from, let's say, a more technical architecture business analysis perspective, we had very good conversations, and then thirdly, Cleveroad was also flexible to customize the approach to my needs, so not come with like a full big team to develop a giant app, but be more reasonable, be much more faster, agile, and then cheaper to fit within the budget and get a very quick MVP build. Yes, I was very happy with the quality of the work done. So we had a very good web engineer. We had another person working on UI UX to make sure that we had also a simple solution so that it's easy for the users to use. And I think wherever needed, we had additional experts chipping in for specific topics. So that was why we had like a well balanced, all around, a very strong engineering team. So we feel very confident about the solution that was built and the quality that was built. The collaboration with the Cleveroad team was managed very successfully. So we worked in different sprints and we adhered very well to the product deadlines. So this way we were able to deliver the solution very quickly in a cost-efficient way. We used different technologies to build the app. We used Amazon Cognito for the secure authentication. We used L-Star Tailwind as a development kit to reduce the costs, as well as to make the building of the web UI more easy. We use a Stripe integration for the payment processing, so that both the hairdresser and the salon either get billed or get paid automatically through the app. We leveraged Webflow for the website itself, for the landing pages, and we use an integration with Brevo as a CRM marketing tool for email campaigns and for the onboarding funnel. So I think with all these tools together, we have a good setup, and we were able to launch the tool pretty quickly. So I'm very happy to recommend Cleveroad if you want to build an app or a website like us. Yes, I can highly recommend Cleveroad. They are really a trusted software development partner. They have great expertise in web development. They were very proactive, which enabled us to launch our platform in a very short time frame. The company also provides post-release support to ensure that the platform works correctly after launching. And I have only a good experience with Cleveroad, and they deliver high quality services. So I can definitely recommend Cleveroad to any other company or to business partners or friends if you're looking for a strong development partner.